Intrinsic motivation tends to push people more forcefully, and the accomplishments are more fulfilling. Let's focus on ABC of goal setting. Specifically, goals should be achievable, that is A, and believable, B, and must be committable, C. Process goals focus on actual acts of performance and learning, such as a baseball pitcher setting the goal of throwing a certain percent of first pitch strikes, whereas product goals focus on the outcome of performance, such as winning a league championship. To be effective, a systematic goal setting approach must be designed and carried out. So guys, how should our goals be set for the coming year 2021? Before jumping into the steps of goal setting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share and like the video. Firstly, set specific goals in terms that can be measured. Specific goals are more effective in improving performance than our general do your best goals or no goals at all. An effective goal clearly indicates what a person needs to do to accomplish it. This means that you must be able to measure the performance that relates to the specific goal. Speaking of an athlete, it should be possible to measure how much an athlete has improved on a specific skill or task. For example, percent of successfully completed free throws, or the frequency of desirable behaviors, for example, the number of times the athlete praised teammates. Second, set difficult but realistic goals. Difficult or challenging goals produce better performance than moderate or easy goals. The higher the goal, the higher the performance, as long as the goal does not exceed what the athlete is capable of doing. Set short-term as well as long-term goals. Breaking down any long-term goals into smaller, more attainable goals helps to promote achievement and success. Short-term goals are important because they allow individuals to see immediate improvements in performance and thereby enhance motivation. Without short-term goals, people will lose their long-term objectives and the sub-goals needed to attain them. Express goals in positive rather than negative terms. It is best to set goals positively, for example, the number of sub-goals achieved rather than the sub-goals missed. Positive goal setting helps people focus on success instead of failure. Moreover, positive goals usually have clues on how to attain them. To turn a negative goal into a positive one, ask yourself a question: what needs to be done instead? Identify specific goal achievement strategies. One of the main reasons why goals are not accomplished is that people fail to map out and commit themselves to goal achievement strategies. For example, if a hockey player wants to improve his or her speed by 5%, a productive achievement strategy would include skating additional 10 sprints after practice each day. Record goals, achievement strategies, and target specific goals have been set. B. Achievement strategies have been decided upon, and C. Target dates for goal attainment have been established. These should be written down so they can be referred to frequently. Performance feedback is absolutely necessary if goals are to enhance performance. Therefore, people must receive feedback on how their present performance is related to both short-term and long-term goals. Without such feedback, youngsters cannot track their progress toward goals and may be possible that you may lack confidence rather than motivation and are therefore afraid to proceed. Close and kin to a lack of confidence are perfectionism and procrastination. If you inherently doubt your ability to accomplish the task at hand, you may feel anxiously motivated but incapable of taking action. It is in the gap between motivation and execution that many forms of self-sabotage and self-doubt lie, and it is important to identify what thought processes influence the pipeline to goal achievement. Finally, depression can lead to a sense of demotivation. In these cases, lack of motivation is a symptom of low mood. The anhedonia associated with depression reflects an inability to sustain interest over a period of time because of neurocircuitry that regulates reward and motivation pathways between the prefrontal cortex and the nucleus accumbens that are not working in tandem. If a lack of motivation is tied to anhedonia, other symptoms of depression may also be present in you.